because we've been running so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe that all that huge crowd now is not here. And thank you so much for your help. But please tell me why you've been crying. What happened to you? So, yeah, understood. You helped me. Oh, you are not able to come home to make your makeup, but don't worry. I'll try to help you, but you know that I'm waiting for my flight and I have less time, so I will do everything very quick. So then, yes, I'll be able to help you. You don't know who I am. It's very pleasant because let's don't waste time for my explanation. Just look at me. Just look at this color, pink color, and this black dress. And have you ever heard about the combination of the words Blackpink? You never heard? You heard couple songs, right? What is your favorite one? Have you heard Crazy Over You? I really like this song. Okay, so I will help you very quick because let's see. So soon we'll have our flight. I mean me and the girls, but you will go for your date. Okay. So let's see. This is my bag. Yes, this is my Barber bag. Vintage Barber bag. I really like it. But please don't tell no one because my contract is with other brand. I really like this bag. Yeah. And what I would like to say that I was trying to keep some cosmetics with me because you never know what will happen to your makeup, especially when you are moving, when you're on the road, when you need to go somewhere. You see, it's also mentioned here, Barbary of London. Okay. So unfortunately, I don't have any moisturizer with me. But have you put already in the morning your facial cream, right? So I guess it will be okay. So let's see, like I have some concealer with me and this makeup sponge. So let's see how I will do that. So this is simple concealer because your under eye area, I guess it needs some concealer. And this one is makeup sponge. So I don't know, sometimes I'm using it like dry one, so let me see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. Blend it, 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 blend it. Blend it, 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 blend it. Okay, done. So now I can see that we have a more fresh look. Just exactly like me to like my makeup, then I'll do something like that for you. Yes, you know, it's very important because when we are off stage, we also need to be ready because you never know. Yeah, I'm a singer and I'm rapper and um, I have a lot of stuff to do. But wait. Browse, 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 browse. Okay, oh my god, we have like several minutes. Yes, I know. celebrities were having a lot of problems because we wear foundation 24/7. So this one is looking quite good. I really like it. So not today, my girl. And by the way, what is your name? Nice to meet you. Like I said before, I'm Jane. Yes. So what else I'm keeping here? I'm looking for my blush. Where are you? There's my blush. Now I found it. It's here. So first thing first, let's put it here. And this is my blush also. I love this color. Let's open it up. Okay, and brush. So let's take a little bit. And so brush, blush, 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 blush. Okay. This is my blush brush. Very, very soft. Okay, we're putting it back. What else am I having over here? Yeah, I need to pack everything nicely because manager is watching, and even now I see that he's like continuously calling, but we still have like 5 minutes left. And thank you so much that you helped me to escape because I want to make a special call when you will leave to one special person. I don't want anybody to hear me, so that's why I'm helping you. You know, our life is always on the camera, so private life is very, very, very important for us. We need to protect those people who interact with us every day, our relatives, our families, our friends. Unfortunately, this is how it is, but I don't know, your face looks so friendly, so I don't think that you will run to reporters once we're done, right? I don't know why, but I believe in you. Okay, so blush is ready, everything is ready, so see. I will take first, okay, first let's make your lip line. Just wait, you need to put everything back. Okay, so first let's take this pen and just make a smile for me, please. Okay, so smell it. Good, right? And this is French one. So it's pinky color, like pinky coral color. So okay, let's throw it away in my backpack. Now let me do this. I'm taking it in. Tap 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 so now let's see your face. Looking gorgeous and stunning. Yeah, yes. So nice, so cool, and I don't know why my bag now is a real freaking mess. Manager is calling. So now please go. Was nice talking to you. Yes. So busy. Oh my god, I need to text everyone and to answer my manager. So write me on Instagram if you want, but I'm not sure that I will answer because our schedule is busy. Remember that, right? Okay, so